Hello everyone, today I will mainly demonstrate the installation method of the CNLINKO YM20 series RJ45 connector. First, you need to disassemble the connector, just like I do here. Then comes the wire threading process, where the cable passes through the external part and the housing. Next, start assembling the RJ45 jack. This is the wire I've already arranged. Simply place it into the jack and use a tool to crimp it tightly. As you can see, the jack is now securely crimped. The next step is the assembly process. Insert the jack end into the plug, and it snaps into place instantly. Then, tighten the plug housing and the rear connector structure in sequence. This is what it looks like when fully tightened. Next is the installation of the sockets, both the single-port socket and the 4-port socket. For the single-port socket, you can apply some thread locker to ensure a more secure installation. The 4-port socket is directly assembled and fixed onto the board by tightening the screws. This is what the board looks like after the sockets are installed. Align the plugs RJ45 jack with the socket, insert it directly, and rotate clockwise to lock the connector in place. The connection method for the docking socket is the same. Simply insert it directly and rotate to lock it securely.